everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove bandage adhesive from your skin easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you have bandage adhesive and it is stuck on your skin, this is how to remove it easily. All that you need is one of these right here, which is a Q-tip and a little bit of something that I'm going to tell you about in a moment. So essentially, I am the king of bandage adhesive being stuck on my skin. I'll tell you why. I'm a hairy animal, okay? Literally, I just buzzed my chest. I'm going to give you guys a little insight here. I just buzzed my chest, okay? But you can see, let me get a little bit higher. You can see, it's hard to see, but literally my hair connects from my neck beard over here, from my neck beard hair, all the way down. It just goes straight here through here. I just buzzed my chest, but usually I'm a hairy animal. As you guys have seen in many other videos, you know, my chest hair is protruding on my shirt, and I think that's why whenever I put a bandage on, the adhesive ends up sticking on my skin for way longer than normal, than it would like with the average person that's not as hairy. I don't know if that's the reason why, but there's always bandage adhesive stuck on my skin. So I've learned how to remove it easily, and it's not that hard to do. Now, I use a Q-tip, but you can also use a cotton swab, a cotton ball, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what they're called. Those little cotton circle things, cotton balls, I think they're called. Anything that is able to absorb liquid that you can use, and then you can just throw out when you're done. You also need something called rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is something that is used for many purposes, but one of the things that it's useful for is removing things that are stuck on. So, for instance, I use rubbing alcohol, I'm a video game collector, and when there's a marker, permanent marker, on the plastic of a video game, not on the label, but just on a plastic part, I'll use rubbing alcohol to remove it. And rubbing alcohol can also be used to remove bandage adhesive from your skin. So what you want to do is take your Q-tip or your cotton ball, your cotton swab, whatever the case is. You can even use a rag that you're going to wash after, okay? And you just want to put a little, just a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol on it. And that's why I use the Q-tip, because this can only absorb so much. It's only a little bit of cotton on the outside. So you're going to dip it in the rubbing alcohol, and you're going to rub it on wherever you have the bandage adhesive, and rub it on, okay? And then what you're going to do, once you rub it on, that's going to loosen the bandage adhesive, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your fingers or your hand or something else, and you apply a little bit of pressure. I don't know where that went. I'm sorry. I don't know. Here it is. You can apply a little bit of pressure to rub it off. Okay, you can also do this. You can apply the rubbing alcohol on your skin where the bandage adhesive is, let it sit, and then take a shower immediately after. That'll work too. But essentially, the rubbing alcohol will loosen the bandage adhesive. And then what you can do is you can use your hand or something else to rub it off. Then, if you've rubbed it off with your hand, obviously make sure you wash your hands after. Okay, make sure you wash your hands with, thoroughly with soap after, because you did just touch the rubbing alcohol on your shoulder. And that's it. Honestly, it works wonders. I've tried other things before that worked, but, damaged my skin a little bit. And I've learned that rubbing alcohol literally just does the best job. It doesn't damage my skin, and it gets the bandage adhesive off. I can't really complain about it. And that is truly it. That is how to remove bandage adhesive from your skin easily. A step-by-step tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what I'm sorry, just before I finish, I was gonna bring a bottle of rubbing alcohol in here to demonstrate, but I'm in the car and I didn't want to leave the rubbing alcohol in the car all day long. I just, it didn't work out. So you're just gonna have to use your imagination when I tell you what to do, and get your own bottle of rubbing alcohol and do the same thing. Very simple. So that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.